Poetry is a creative outlet for me to process all that is going on within and around us as the world feels like it is crumbling. The old ways are dissolving, and this change is being palpably sensed in our minds, bodies, and hearts. I was called to write this book specifically to help process and integrate the painful yet necessary disruption in our normative ways of thinking and being. I've been called to address materialism, greed, and selfishness through the lens of love and letting go. And so I wrote, You Are the Pendulum, Poems and Practices in an Unsettling World, not just because friends and colleagues have requested it after our conversations or after reading my weekly Substack newsletter, but because I believe I have a distinctive message to share. This work, in the form of my poems, essays, and practices, is about the space we are all in that we can no longer choose to ignore. A collection of personal essays, revelatory poems, and meditation practices. You Are the Pendulum, Poems and Practices for an Unsettling World, deeply contemplates community, nature, the sacred, spiritual world, and offers creative ways to tread through and reconnect to ourselves in the face of the stress of society. As our lives shift, this book serves as an invitation to rediscover what is innate through a unique alchemy of breath practice, mindfulness, and self-reflection. So, may this book disrupt practices that are no longer serving you. May this book dismantle samskaras, or old ways of thinking and being, and old habits. May this book open, uplift, dive into shadow, reveal, and move you further towards yourself. May you arrive at the recognition that you are the pendulum. My name is Pamela Stokes Eggleston, and I am the author of You Are the Pendulum. I hope you enjoy.